hayi bafethu nithuli nendaba engaka nazi indaba la zivelile nje ukuthi namhlanje noma inini ke kodwa ke hawu akusekho noyedwa nje kulama video commentayo esho ukuthi hayibo kahle uprincipal ke la nasi isithangabi kwayishona umfoko wamakhaya wathi isithangabi noma ke izithangabi nazi isithangabi la ebesibanjiwe lapha yana angazi ukuthi kuphi la noma isePitoli noma ikuphi kodwa ke kuthiwa lo kungana ngathi ke akalo angathi lo principal lutho indaba yokuthatha ilento indaba ye-DNA akathestwanga hawu bafethu kumele kwenziwe njani ke umbuzo nawo umile ngoba phela uMEC nangesho umama lona ukuthi ke uMEC lana ke uthi uthe yena ke uprincipal wayithatha ilento zani wathathile amagazi kwacheckwa bonke abantu hayi yabo inkinga le
lapha kwamakhelwane apha si ambile ke utata kaCoce then advised us into yokuba le case njengoba i-statement nje makuzanywe into yokuba makuthathwe i-DNA test kuwo wonke amadoda that were in contact nomntwana on Monday and Tuesday. Wathi ke uzawuba ngowokuqala ukuyithatha leyo DNA. U-MEC Gade ebelapha last week nge-31st uvelile ngose-TV ukuba uyasideregister isikolo when actual fact they were clearing issues that the Department of Education naye engakhange wenza umsebenzi. But then before kulungiswe lento it decided to say unikeza notice to deregister the school. A week later the MEC rescinds that decision. Uthi ke ebefuna uprincipal ahambe ayothatha i-DNA. Minister uyavela uthi i-DNA zika principal zithathiwe mhlambi bebefuna uba voices because the country was like only yesterday when a brigadier and station unit commander told Mama kaCoce ukuba actually the DNA ka principal was never taken.
Oh shit!